Hello, my people. Welcome to another episode of Wedding Wednesdays. I've got on my Future Mrs. shirt and I am ready to dive into today's video. But first, if you're new here, hi, my name is Olivia, also known as Jetlag Liv, and I am a bride-to-be planning a destination wedding in Tuscany, Italy for spring of 2023. But what is a bride without her bridesmaids? That's what we're gonna be doing, building our bridesmaids proposal boxes, and then I'm proposing to my closest girlfriends, asking them to be bridesmaids slash maid of honor on my special day. I am like super excited for this just because I think it's so special to have your girls with you on your big day. So I'm gonna show you some DIYs and show you how these are kind of luxe boxes, like that's the vibe. But I will show you how I utilize my resources to make them budget friendly, along with some cute DIYs and just fun things that I wanna share with you. So let's build the boxes and then give them to the girls and hopefully make them cry. That's like the goal, right? Like so emotional. But anyway, let's get started. I'm super excited to share this with you. All right, so it's gonna look, at first glance, it's gonna look like I gave these girls thousands of dollars in things, but I promise you it's not the case. No, ma'am. So as a full-time content creator, I was able to use my relationship with brands that I've established over the years or months I've been working with them and get some gifted products for the girls that we can then take pictures in together or use together, and I can promote as well as gift these girls some amazing products. So it's kind of like a two-in-one. So let me just dive right into what I'm giving the girls and some cute little DIYs that I've done with them. And yeah, we'll get started. The first gift that I've got for the girls that I need to wrap individually, they even sent me some wrapping paper, are these Beach Rinse Salt Scrubs. Now these are salt scrubs. I think hair, you can put them in your hair for like beachy waves. That's my favorite. And I think you can put it in the bath too. Yeah, these are pina colada flavors. I just asked for like a white one. I thought it was kind of neutral for the boxes, but these smell stupid good. I have a discount code if you want to use that to purchase. Oh my God, that smelled really good. Sorry, I have a discount code if you want to use it at checkout. Feel free to do so. If not, that's okay, but the girls are getting these because I am obsessed with them and I want them to have them too. But I'm really excited to put those in there for the girls. And then, next up was a collab with Dippin' Daisies. And this is where the fun comes into play. One sec. All right, so I was able to get the girls each a bottom and top of a bikini set that is in their size. And just for example here, this is the cute little high-waisted, what is it called? Seashore bottom from Dippin' Daisies, which I thought was cheeky in the back, which is my preference, but also modest around the midsection, which I think a lot of people, myself included, are not super confident in. But so I thought this was like a really good all for one, one for all kind of thing, you know, for this style. So, and then for the top, which I want to show you, this was the, I don't want to get them all mixed up. Okay, this was a large. So this Cove top from Dippin' Daisies is a really cute one that I personally think is really flattering for, I have a small chest. So some of my girls most of them have bigger chests than me, which this will also flatter them, so that's why I picked this one. So it ties in the front there, and this is what I'm gonna do. I made these cute little cards that says, "Help me tie the knot." And what I'm gonna do is do a slit on both sides and put the knot right in the center, like that. So I think that's gonna be so cute. And then I really did like the gold accents on this too. Kind of goes in the vibe of the wedding, you know, those tones I was talking about last Wednesday. So these are for each of the girls, and I did one for each. And then Dippin' Daisies also sent me a white one. So when we go on our bachelorette trip, which I'm hoping will be somewhere warm and tropical and maybe out of the country, we'll see. I'm working on flights. But I would die to take a picture in the white and my girls in the black, and we like stunt. I thought that was adorable, so cannot wait to do that. And okay, really quickly, I did want to show you guys these little signs I made. You don't need a Cricut. Please tell me to just bend it. Okay. You don't need a Cricut to do DIY wedding gifts, okay? This was made with Pages. I don't even have Microsoft Word on my computer. So I just used Canva to create the font and the images, and then I put it in Pages on my MacBook. And I created these. It says, will you join me on the biggest adventure of all? Be my maid of honor, and then of course, be my bridesmaids for the other girls. And then, as you might recognize, these are the images at the bottom are what I also use in my intro for Wedding Wednesdays. So it was really multi-purpose little images that my friend Savannah made. I'll link her stuff below. She did these digital graphics and they are incredible. Highly recommend the Cozy Cactus Studio, which is her Etsy. But love these things. And I'm sure you're wondering, what is the box going to be? It's probably not a surprise, but I'm giving each of the girls suitcases. What's a destination wedding without the couple suitcases for your girls? I get these suitcases for free because I've been working with Monos for I think over a year now. So I got 4 of their carry-on size, which I've personally never seen in person before. And let's do a little unboxing, I suppose, because these are acting as the boxes. So all the gifts and stuff are gonna go inside of the suitcase when I give them to the girls. Oh my God, it's perfect. Look at this color. You already know I had to do rose quartz mono suitcases for each of the girls. Let's take a look. And I'm sure all of them have suitcases, but I really wanted us all to travel to Italy in matching suitcases. Is that so extra? Yeah, it is. But I mean, come on. Oh my God, she's so cute. I wish I would have got one of these for myself. Oh my God, I'm obsessed. Obsessed. Oh my gosh. This is gonna be epic. Holy smokes. And I just feel like it goes so well. Like all the colors and everything. You guys know from my videos, these come with luggage tags, vegan leather luggage tags included here. And again, if you wanna shop Monos, I'll link it down below. You can get money off your first order. Putting Bride Tribe on the back of these with a Cricut. Or their names. I don't know, I think it'd be really cute if I went the extra mile like that. That is gonna be so fun. And then one final thing, which I'm sure compared to the suitcase might be a little silly to some people, but I really think it's cute. I just got a case of the San Pellegrino from Costco, and you get like 24 bottles for like 18 bucks. I drink these, but I was also gonna give one to each of the girls, and instead of doing like champagne, just be like, pop the bubbly. You know, I was gonna say pop the bubbly, she's getting a hubby, but that doesn't rhyme and that really bothers me. So I thought it would be cute to have that in there too. Because it is Italian, we're going to Italy, all of us, hopefully. And you know, since it is a destination wedding, if one of these girls can't make it, I just want them there with me to celebrate everything else, whether it be the bachelorette party, the bridal shower, perhaps a party when we get home with extended family to celebrate the wedding. But regardless, these girls are special to me and I want them to know that. So I cannot wait to give that to the girls, but let me get myself organized and kind of do like a mock pack of what the finished suitcases will look like, because I'm really excited. All right, let's do it. This tie the knot turned out so cute. I can't wait to see their reactions. And then I really love it. Take a look. I think I want to add some like pink confetti inside just to make it like super fun. I feel like it's missing something. I think that will help. But I'm gonna finish the rest of these up. We're running out of daylight here. And I think I'm gonna start deliveries tomorrow. So I will check back in with you guys, and yay, I'm so excited. All right, I'll see you tomorrow. Good morning. Yes, I've got my little headband slash tiara situation going on. I started to like get so hot finishing these suitcase proposal boxes, and you guys, I am obsessed with them. They look so good. I went out yesterday and got sparkly, like twinkly lights to put inside because I couldn't find confetti and it was missing something, and that was the perfect fix. I'm gonna show you guys, and then I'm gonna go deliver 2 of the 4 today, maybe 3, we'll see. But all of my girls are gonna be in town this weekend, hopefully, so we should get them all sent out. Okay, let me show you. I'm so excited. Okay, I'm about to propose to Tori. We're meeting for coffee, and I made these little tags to add on, but I'm so excited. Here we go. Here, you can open the trunk. Oh my god! Okay, open it. Wait, it's crooked. It fell. Also, I didn't know you were right here, and this like He's so cute. Sorry. Okay, honestly, that went amazing. I grabbed 2 more suitcases, and now I'm gonna stop by Brianne's. I tricked her and was like, hey, I have something to give your mom from my mom. Can I stop by and drop it off? And she's like, yeah, sure. So I'm gonna swing by. She has no clue. I don't think she has any idea. And then I tricked my friend Olivia too. And I was like, hey, I need to pick up that wedding planner you were gonna lend me. Like, things are getting crazy, like da 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 da. And then I'm gonna propose to her too. So I'm so excited. It's so fun, so sneaky. So that's the best kind of surprise in my opinion. But all right, let's go see Brianne. It might be.
What is that mine? Wait, what's happening?
Here, open it.
Open it?
Open it.
What's in it?
Just open it like that, yeah.
Oh god. This is my name on it. I don't think this is for my mom. Oh my gosh!
Yay! Okay, I'm in the elevator. When she opens the door, I'm just gonna surprise her, so the footage might be a little rough. Let's see. Hello! Surprise! Stop it now. Oh, yay! Oh my god! Yes! So I just got home. Olivia said yes, obviously, and I didn't get to the maid of honor. Gracie, I'm coming for you tomorrow. Okay, it's the next morning. We're joined by a special guest. The fiance. And Gracie is coming to the car. She thinks to meet us for coffee, but I'm gonna propose to her. I'm excited. That's for you.
Open it. You did. You did not. Stop. Stop.
Yep, it's on the
Oh,
vlog.
I'm gonna cry. Oh.
I'm gonna cry. It's too early to be crying. It's real life. I know. Yay! Oh my god. I know.
Stop. I cannot do this anymore. My two ducks aren't acting. This is so cute.
What the? Oh my